goes up. Once like post-euro close starts throwing some size on and then pulls and spoofs and moves it. And then eventually we kind of have a waterfall shortly after.
So let's say look out below and the buyer step back in, but it looks like the sellers are going to try to take this thing lower in the net again. They're going to push this thing lower with the flat line.
What's the next level you got moving down? 21,000.
Order filled.
Yeah, I have 200. 230. I have go over 200.
Yeah, there definitely is still room. About yes.
We have that. I like it. It's also behind a lot more stability than just
Order filled.
a temporary bounce. Yeah.
Order submitted.
Everything's been temporary. There's the upside.
How much violence can we get today with the NVIDIA on deck and potentially downside hedging for things like PCE or anything Trump's going to say, or potentially the tariffs from Mexico and Canada
Order filled.
table this week?
You still long ago? Yeah, I'm still long for 312. I have my finger on the button waiting for something to happen on this market. My hard stop is at 283. That's like if someone yells tariffs and this market tanks, right? Just someone I'm here on that.
When the algo sneezes on the sell button, excuse me.
What happened last night?
Order filled.
That's right. Alright, well, we see if this is very, very volatile right now. The jam-packed day on deck here in Top Step TV. Robot trading all week. Live traders, live executions, real profits, losses.
Order submitted.
Around here. Fulfills as well. That being said, I throw my main man, Eddie, what do we have on tap?
Order
On the
filled.
calendar? Keep us posted. What we got?
Coming up here at the hour, the big number today, consumer confidence. The Fed is 104.1 now they're looking at 102.5. We also got the Richmond Fed. It's a bar day for the Feds here. Fed bar speaking and Fed bar will also be speaking. 10:45 for bar, 9 for Barkin. Also got a 5-year note auction. And a little bit later this afternoon, Trump's going to be
Order filled.
executive orders. But we are watching the wire here. Anything comes out, we will let you know. Back to you, Andre.
Buddy.
Yeah, live.
Yeah. 16.
Order submitted.
No. Every little bounce has just been selling off. So
Yeah, it's
not worth the hold. We run these lows and then we find some buyers. Maybe. Exactly what it's gonna do, right? It's not holding anything right now.
fix at just under 20, Andre.
Hey, Nick. Showing signs of life.
He's almost real.
Oh, but above 20, correct?
Yeah, it's
Above
gotta
20
be
or 20. Above 20. See if we can sell this thing down. So 21,293. Oh yeah, upper left hand corner of the screen. Save that now. There, to the spaceship rocket known as Top Step TV. Hashtag fast markets. Hashtag power hour. Just up at Top Step TV. I want to see some trader station setups. Love seeing those. See what you guys are working with. Give other traders some ideas what they can be doing with the screen arrangements. When I'm talking in the gray room, rearrange ours, and we're trying to get a little bit of perspective, some ideas how to set up your screens. Okay. Hashtag power hour, hashtag fast markets at Top Step TV.
All right, I know we're covered one, and I think I'm locking myself out for now. I'll take it if we agree to one. But yeah, we're selling off hard here.
What market are you looking at?
Thank you. Just riding along with your trade. Unfortunately, unfortunately, I did not start out at 13th like you did, but now we're gonna be hands off. We'll get sellers.